In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate ChatGPT with your Google account to enhance your productivity. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to chatgpt.com, which is your starting point for this integration. Once you're on the homepage of ChatGPT, look towards the top or side of the screen for the Settings option. Clicking on this will redirect you to a new page where you'll be able to manage various preferences for ChatGPT. Next, once the Settings page has loaded, you'll want to locate the Connected Apps section. This is where you'll manage applications that can interact with ChatGPT. By clicking here, you'll open up a suite of potential integrations that can be incredibly useful for streamlining your tasks. Now, within the Connected Apps menu, look for the option that says Connect. Clicking this will kick off the integration process, so make sure everything is in order before proceeding. Once you've hit Connect, a new window will prompt you to select your Google account. If you have multiple email accounts, be sure to choose the one you want to connect with ChatGPT. It's important to note that you'll need to be logged into your Google account beforehand or be prepared to enter your credentials during this step. After selecting your email, you might see a consent screen that asks for permission to connect ChatGPT with your Google account. This is a standard procedure and ensures security between your accounts. Click Continue to grant these permissions, allowing ChatGPT to access certain features of your Google account. This setup will enable you to utilize Google Drive and other related services more effectively through ChatGPT. Always remember to review permissions anytime you connect apps to ensure you're comfortable with the level of access you're granting. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated your ChatGPT account with Google. This setup will empower you to make the most out of both platforms, whether you're drafting documents or managing your events, all with the efficiency of AI assistance. If you encountered any issues during this process, consider revisiting each step to ensure everything was done correctly and double-check that you're logged into the correct Google account. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Happy integrating, and see you in the next video.